We are returned to a job site in Annapolis. What happened to the music? Where's the music? Turn it on. We wanted to dance with you. Alrighty. I think Donnie's on his way back.
So he's probably getting food right now.
Yep. Taking a look, getting underneath this driveway.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Felt it there. Alrighty, just checking up here in the backyard. These sprinkler heads here. Getting the system in prior to the upcoming fall season to aerate and overseed. Looking good. Valve box in over here, control box. Controls everything underground. That's all finished. Looks good. Looking good back here. This guy's trying to finish up front here today. This is all turned on and adjusted. Now we just got to finish up the front, the details, and we'll be looking good. Sounds like my stomach sometimes. Backyard's all up and running, looking good.
Got the controller up right here. Powered that up straight into the lighting transformer.
Yep.
That was on Friday.
Gotcha. How we looking?
All that lined up.
Yeah, looks good.
Rain sensor is
Activated.
up there.
Yep.
Up on that corner.
Uh-huh.
Felix just wired it straight too.
Yeah. Came off of there.
Yep. Did we put this to a switch or a breaker? Jay couldn't remember.
A breaker.
Felix did it live, but yeah. Okay.
Because at one time there was a breaker at the, not a breaker, there was a switch at the front door. We didn't know where it went to, and somebody had untied it, so we went down the stairs right there. The breaker in that corner came off of there. Let's run to the other job in Annapolis. We'll come back. All right, guys. We'll come back here in a little bit to this job site. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.